Yes, people, we are here with an exclusive unboxing of the Yeezy 700 MNVN, or minivan, or MNVN, as I like to call it. Coming in a triple black colorway, this is one of the craziest Yeezys to date. But before we get into the shoe, make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button because it really does help out the channel. Shout out my levitator for never working. But let's get into the shoe itself. Ooh, crazy sneaker. And I'm not gonna lie, before we get into it, they are crazy tight. At least half a size up, maybe even a full size up on these bad boys. I was wearing them, my toes hated me, my blood circulation was nada, and it was a bit peak still. Crazy materials as well as crazy tight. So we've got this like raincoat upper, that's what I'm gonna call it. Raincoat across the upper, giving it that stealthy look, a brand new tongue design, looking like cat's ears. Shout out to all the cats out there, my guys, as well as the traditional Yeezy 700 midsole. But what sets this sneaker apart is a 700 design coming across the sidewall and this laceless design as well. We didn't realize until we got them in the office that these were laceless. It makes it more difficult to put on, but it does give it a snugger fit, and you can kind of like pull them a little bit for a bit of tightness, but I prefer normal laces if I'm being honest. And guess what? When you put the flash on your camera, you are gonna be shining, you are gonna be glistening. These have some of the craziest 3M going. I don't know why I paused between 3M and going, but I was just trying to emphasize the 3M. And I'm not gonna lie, Lana, this is what they look like with 3M. Retailing at £180, they are cheaper than the usual 700s, and they are London, Tokyo and New York exclusive. So you donnies who are watching in Germany or France, you aren't going to be able to cop these on Adidas, but I'm sure you'll be trying to get them on resale, and there is a pretty penny to be made. We're talking maybe even upwards of 400 where they're so limited. Absolute banger of a sneaker, but as per usual, wear your goddamn shoes, don't be reselling them, just enjoy them. I mean, don't enjoy them in your size because your feet will be dying and they will not forgive you. Releasing this coming Saturday at £180, the Yeezy 700 MNVN triple black is an absolute banger and a must cop from me. I've been Chris from the Soul Supplier, this has been the Yeezy 700, and I'll see you very soon for another exclusive unboxing, probably tomorrow, of another banger. See ya!